Oh, God, yes. Oh, oh yes.
I want the bomb clot. Fuck, I can't run. No, man. You want to see the hood of the man? I walk one here. Hey, girl, I walk one. Hey, girl, what you do? What you do? What you do, girl? Hey, girl, what you do? What you do? Hey, I born your son, give me. I born your son, give me. Hey, tell me, talk to me. Did you enjoy?
Why?
Because I want to know.
Well, he was okay.
Okay. Did he go down on you?
Yes.
How much time you come?
Why do you need to humiliate me like this?
Humiliate you? I mean, I fucked you up on the floor a while ago.
Well, why'd you have to be so vulgar?
Vulgar? Me say, how much time you come?
3, maybe 4 times. I don't remember. But it was bloody good. It was fucking marvelous. Oh, you want to fight me now, do you? Come here.
Did you suck his cock? Did you?
Yes. Oh, all 11 and a half inches of solid rock.
11 and a half? Is he better than me?
No.
Answer the question, bitch.
You're the best I've ever had.
Don't lie to me.
I'm not lying.
You're lying.
Well, you don't like it, do you? It hurts. Well, that's what you put me through every night you go out. I'm only doing what you do.
How can you do what I do? I'm a man. Hey, did you suck your breast like I do?
Leave me alone.
Yeah.
I hate you.
Get out of my house. Yeah, what are you waiting for? Get your ass out of my house.
Well, where do you suggest I go?
I don't give a damn. This relationship is over. Here, get out.
Well, think of all the lies I've told for you. Having to tell your friends what a wonderful husband you are. Keeping your dirty little secrets safe, and for what?
Did I ask you to lie for me? Did I?
You're the strong one who always makes the right decisions. Well, this is not one of them. I'm sorry for what you saw.
So, if I didn't saw you, you'd still be doing it. Huh?
No, I would have ended the relationship.
Relationship? Since a long time it's been going on. Hey, do you think you serve any purpose in my life right now?
I don't know. Tell me what you're afraid of.
Me T-Unit, me not afraid of nothing. Yeah.
Then why can we always talk about anything but us? Just tell me how you feel.
Feel? Baby, how you expect me to feel? Walk in here, I'm going to go see the man have you on the floor. How you expect me to feel, baby? I'm going to be hungry. Me no hungry, you're so rough, you don't come to things, you're tender. How could you do this to me? I trusted you.
Well, you still can again.
Oh, man. I can't believe it. We had the man angry, you know. Baby, no one knows me like you do, you know. Hey, you know all about my little secrets. And you promised you help me through them, didn't you?
Yes.
No matter where me go, no matter how much woman me go with, me always come back to you.
Yes, but it doesn't mean that I like it. I have feelings too.
So that's why you betrayed me, Portia. Is that why?
These last few days I felt so rejected by you, and it just happened.
You too rash, like. Nothing just happened here. You're a woman, you planned it. You knew I was coming home, and you bring the long cocky man coming after them. How could you do this to me? Why? I thought you was trustworthy. I chose to marry you because I thought you were trustworthy, and I thought you loved me.
I do love you.
You love me? Tell me why. Why you love me?
I can't explain that. I just do.
Well, that's why you betray me. Who is that to fuck and go and kill him?
No, nobody.
Nobody? So what, was a black ghost just to fuck you on the floor? Huh?
No, he was just a friend.
You're nothing but a slut. You hear me? A slut?
Yes, I hear you. And what are you? You're supposed to be my husband, and yet some of those women you go with are like dogs, and some could be your own daughters.
I go to other women just to make you feel better. You hear me? When I go there, just a practice just for you.
I admit I have done wrong, but I will never leave you, I promise. I will prove to you again that you can trust me.
Portia, I can't live it no longer, yeah? You're doing my head in. I want a divorce.
A divorce? Why?
If you love me, you will let me go.
How can I do that? You're all that I have. You're all that I want.
I'll get my lawyer to sort out the people's story.
No! You can't mean that. Well, I won't give you a divorce. I'll fight you all the way.
Amazing. This is really good. That's how some of you women are. I mentioned the word divorce, and all of a sudden you find this renewed strength to want to kill me, want to strangle me. But you never have that strength when your coxman was here a while ago.
Well, I could accuse you of the same thing.
Then accuse me.
But I will not accept that.
Get it through your thick head. Move on with your life and let me move on with mine, okay?
No, don't give up on me, please. I'm begging you. Go away.
Get on me. Oh. Imagine you just... Ah! Hey! Why are you not talking? Me don't know her. She's a mad woman. She tried to kill me. You search her? Search her.
You think you could get away from me that easily?
Who is this?
I don't know.
He is my husband.
Oh, not another one of your conquests. Let me guess. You met her in a bar, picked her up, took her back to her place. You were drunk, of course, and didn't know what was happening. Then before you knew it, you were making love to her. Sorry, no, fucking her. You can't make love to a bitch, can you? But of course it meant nothing to you. Am I right so far? Then 2 weeks later, she rings you to tell you she's pregnant with your child, which of course looks nothing like you. How am I doing? Close. And now, as usual, I've got to pick up the pieces for you all over again.
And these are his children.
Come, girls. Go to Daddy. Go to Daddy.
Had a bit on the side. The last one was a prostitute. And yet I am still here loving him.
Oh, so you're the wife?
Well, let me guess. He told you he wasn't married?
Yeah, and I believed him.
My God, woman. How can you love something like that?
Well, I do. And I will not let anyone disrespect him. Are we clear on that? Good. So, now that you've found us, what do you want? Money? How much?
I don't want your money. I only want one thing from him. To play his part in looking after our children.
Those bastards don't belong to my husband. You fathered those.
Yes, these are our children. Aki, saltfish. Hi, baby.
You have a sense of humor. At least you didn't call them something hideous like Lashwana or Taniqua.
How dare you?
Honey,
they are his responsibility.
Don't try to
Don't let
blackmail
him
him.
go. Hug him up.
Portia, can't you see what he's trying to do to us women? You see, the pain you inflict upon us will be passed on to your children like a curse. Is that what you want? You know, these kids don't deserve this. Come, let's go. Let's go, girls. Come on. Come on.
Me come here to drink milk, not to count cow. If you man them want breed and feed them business that, it's my job to get as much pussy as I can get. You know what to do with the twin them? Give them to Portia, she don't have nothing to do.
What am I supposed to do with them?
They're not her responsibility, T.
They are my seeds, but I don't care one. She have whole time on her hand. She have time to take 11 inches. She have time to look after them.
You have changed, T. T, you really don't care about your girls.
I don't care what you want to do with them. Here, you can put up for adoption for all I care.
Never!
Baby. Can you see what she's trying to do to me? I mean to us? Look, baby, she's using the kids against us. Baby, without those kids, she has nothing over us. Hmm?
Years, T. 11 years. For what?